I want to show you how this product works, because I know you're going to love it. This is how the hair looks when you wake up uncombed with frizz. Let's apply the product. And it turned out like this. "250 grams of heated water, along with another mixture, the sample. 20 grams of coconut oil, "20 grams of coconut oil with the cationic emulsifying wax cream 400. This is a gel I bought, but you can use the plant version. There we'll see it start to melt, and meanwhile the water is heating up. There it's already starting to melt. There, it's already completely melted. I turn it off and we take it to mix with a mixer. We just finished heating it. We add it little by little. As we keep mixing, we mix very well, and we're going to add the aloe. As I showed you before, this one is bought at the pharmacy, but if not, you can perfectly use the one straight from the plant. And it's 20 grams that we're going to add to the mixture. We mix. We add 1 gram of vitamin E, which is the size of a capsule, let's say. And we take the opportunity to add the essential oil we want. In this case, I'm going to add rose oil. It's ready. Think drops. We mix it very well. Boom. Once we mix it well, we're going to put it in a spray bottle. And every time we're going to use it, we shake it vigorously. This mixture will last you 2 to 3 months. It's not necessary to keep it in the fridge, but if you do, it will last longer. Store it in a cool, dry place, preferably in a dark container.